What is the difference between parental responsibility and timesharing? These are terms that are sometimes confused in family law cases. Parental responsibility talks about the division between parents regarding the child. The level of parental responsibility addresses how each parent should communicate with the other parent regarding the child. Things like keeping the other parent up to date on doctor's appointments or tests at school, the Christmas play, those sorts of things. In Florida, the courts have three types of parental responsibility. The first is the most common, and that's shared parental responsibility. The parents are to share the responsibility between the two of them regarding the child. That doesn't mean it has to be 50-50. It just has to be shared, and you have to communicate and work towards compromise. That's what the courts are encouraging with shared parental responsibility. The second type is shared parental responsibility with ultimate decision-making authority. In that level of parental responsibility, one parent may get the tiebreaker vote, the ultimate decision, if they have a special skill set that could benefit the child. For example, if a parent is a teacher, they might also have ultimate decision-making authority regarding the child's education. A parent who's a nurse might have ultimate decision-making authority for the child's healthcare decisions. The final option is sole parental responsibility, where one parent is solely responsible for making the child's decisions without talking to the other parent. This is a really rare option, and the courts don't use it often. We sometimes see it when there is a mental health issue or a substance abuse issue where having the other parent interact with the child could be dangerous, or if the other parent is in jail. Timesharing, on the other hand, is actually the number of overnights each child spends with each parent. So sometimes you might hear that referred to as heads in beds. How many nights does the child have their head lying on the pillow in your bed at your house versus the other parents? And so sometimes timesharing is referred to as the calendar or the schedule. So hopefully that clears up the difference between parental responsibility and timesharing.